न्यूज़पेपर से आप यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में कैसे न्यूज़ एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं देखते हैं. Before we move further, the important keywords, case studies and facts from this newspaper you will get at the end of this video, so आपकी screenshot ले सकते हो. Behind indoor deaths, civic collapse, health system struggling with delay of patients. You can use this example in GS2 lack of inadequate infrastructure examples that despite ranking top in 8 consecutive years in such Sunkhetam index, Indore facing contamination of drinking water issue which has led to several people in admitted in hospital. Moving forward, 7 of world's rarest fogs pre-assumed dead study blames in phototourism. This article is very important for prelims point of view as UPSC is continuously asking in PYQs of species. Galaxy frogs also known as Melabodrachus indicus, one of the rarest fog most dazzling amphibians present in rotten logs in Kerala Western Ghats. Also, you should know basic features of these frogs for prelims point of view that they are measuring between 2 cm to 3.5 cm and these frogs do not produce sounds. Moving forward. ED arrest Gujarat IAS officers in PMLA case. This article is important for civil services question which can be asked in any paper. You can use this example that the increasing hedonistic pleasures led to IAS officers involved in corruption. By quoting example, IAS officer Rajendra Mahendra Patel, a former district collector of Sudarna, Gujarat, has been arrested for his resistance under PMLA Act 2002. And from prelims point of view, you should know the basic provisions of the PMLA 2002. Moving forward. Telecom sector needs more strong players. You can use this example in GS2 if the question directly comes on Competition Commission of India, which has already been asked in PYQ, or in GS3 that the market concentration in civil aviation by Air India and Indigo, while in telecom sector by Jio and Airtel. Only 16.5% share has been constituted by Vodafone, while 8% by BSNL. Moving forward. To resolve the street dog issue, use reason and compassion, not fear and cruelty. This can be great example in GS1, even in GS4. You can use a brilliant case study which will give an extra edge in mains answer as a way forward that the Netherlands become the first country to have zero stray dog by successful implementation of CSBR program. Moving forward. Inattention to high technology minerals is showing. This can be a great example for GS2 or GS3 of the lot of facts like India spends only 0.6 to 0.7% of GDP on R&D, which is quite less than the US or China, which spend 3% and 2.5% respectively. And from mineral point of view, the extraordinary intro you can use. India has one of the finest geologies in the world while it has explored only 25 to 30% of its geological potential. And from Phillips' point of view, you should know the US-led Pack Silica initiative of critical minerals to secure semiconductor and supply chain constitute of the following countries like US, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, UK, Netherlands, Israel, UAE, Australia. And the most important fact, India is not the member of the group. That's your UPSC ready news for today. Stay consistent, stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the very best.